It's relatively easy to make your own subliminal messages, honest. Start by writing down the messages that you want to implant in your mind. Aim for between 5 and 10 messages, and they should be written in the first person and as though you've already achieved whatever it is you're aiming to do. Next, get hold of a free program called Audacity. Just search for Audacity software. It's a great piece of software and works on PCs, Macs and Linux. Then use a microphone. If you've got a laptop, there's probably already one built in. If you're using a desktop computer, chances are you already use it for one for Skype, so you've probably got that. But if neither of those are an option, just record them on your phone, because that's got a microphone, and you can then upload them to your computer to adjust them. Record yourself reading your subliminal messages. Leave a bit of a pause between each one of them, just because really, so they don't blur into each other, and don't be afraid to do a couple of takes until you get them pretty much word perfect. Then select the whole recording and choose Amplifier from the effects menu. You're actually going to make the recording quieter, but the same menu option does that, so choose Amplify. Experiment with the amplification level so your messages are barely audible. Then copy and paste your messages so they fill out most of the length of whatever backing track you've chosen. Add the backing track in Audacity. It'll let you add a new track. It's a really good piece of software. Then save your project and export your new subliminal recording. So you can play it on your MP3 player or burn it to CD to listen to it that way, whatever you choose. And if you like more help, I've been using a program called Subliminal Studio for years now to create my own subliminals for my own use. It comes with lots of pre-recorded messages, much more detailed instruction I've given here, and some royalty-free backing tracks, new age style, sound of nature, that kind of thing. So you can get more details by clicking the link below this video, and you can start making your own subliminals and having fun with them now.